Congratulations, you've officially become a level 100 thumb warrior. 6 hours of scrolling every single day. Your ancestors fought lions. You fight boredom with TikTok. Same thing, right? Your phone isn't a tool anymore. It's your babysitter. It tucks you in at night. It wakes you up in the morning. And sometimes it even decides your mood for the entire day. And don't pretend you don't know the drill. You pick up your phone to check one message, and suddenly it's been 45 minutes, and you've somehow ended up watching a raccoon steal cat food on YouTube. Relatable? Of course. You don't have a time problem. You don't have a motivation problem. You have a phone problem. Your attention span? It's shorter than a goldfish. At least the goldfish isn't addicted to Instagram reels. And here's the scary part. It's not even your fault. These apps were designed to do this to you. Every swipe, every ding, every red notification bubble is a slot machine for your brain. You're not weak. You're just playing against billion-dollar companies who know exactly how your dopamine works. See, your brain has this thing called a habit loop. Cue, routine, reward. Notification pops up. That's the cue. You tap without thinking. That's the routine. You get a tiny dopamine hit. That's the reward. Congratulations. Loop complete, and repeat over and over and over until it feels automatic. Your brain literally rewires itself to crave the next hit. That's why 5 seconds of silence feels unbearable. It's not boredom, it's withdrawal. And the cost? Every minute you spend glued to that screen is a minute stolen from your goals. You say you don't have time, but you just donated your entire afternoon to strangers on YouTube. You don't even know what you want in life, but somehow you know every detail of a celebrity breakup. That's not progress, that's distraction. And yes, your future self is watching. He's sitting there, face-palming, wondering why you're binging cat videos instead of building the life you keep dreaming about. So how do you escape? Don't worry, I'm not telling you to smash your phone with a hammer. This isn't about destruction, it's about discipline. Here are 5 steps to kill the addiction before it kills your focus. Step 1. Clean your digital junk food. Delete the apps that add nothing to your life. Be honest. Half of them are just boredom snacks for your brain. And no, Candy Crush is not essential for survival. Step 2. Control the leash. Set time limits. Your phone is like a dog. Either you walk it or it drags you face first through the mud. Step 3. Replace the hit. Every time you feel the urge to scroll, swap it for something healthier. Read 1 page, do 10 push-ups, write 1 thought down. Your brain wants dopamine? Fine, give it dopamine, just from something useful. Step 4. Practice boredom. Yeah, sit in silence. 10 minutes, no music, no scrolling, just you and your thoughts. Scary? Maybe. But here's the secret. Boredom is where creativity lives. The best ideas don't come from a TikTok feed. They come when your brain finally has room to think. Step 5. Use your phone as a tool, not a toy. Phones aren't evil. They're powerful. You can literally learn a new skill, build a business, or make money with the same device you use to watch cat memes. The problem isn't the phone, it's how you use it. At the end of the day, your phone is either building your dream or burying it, and right now, it's digging your grave. But hey, don't change. Keep scrolling. Billionaires who designed these apps are sitting somewhere, smiling, and sending you a big fat thank you for your daily donation of time.